Sanibona bafethu uVanelo. So there's a conversation we must have as fans. Kune conversation engamele siyibalekele as ama-fans and kumele siyiface i-reality bafethu. As ama-fans bafethu kumele sikhulume ngalolu daba lolu. So you know Orlando Pirates have submitted i-bid yokuthi bafuna ukusayina bani, bafuna ukusayina lo mdlali lo okuDe Jong weSteelers. Yabo baba close ukuthi bamsayine lo mjida lo uDe Jong from iSteelers kuleli window esiphuma kulona. I-deal yakhanselwa nini on a deadline day. On a deadline day, Orlando Pirates iyacishe yakwazi ukumsayina bani uAndre de Jong lo dlala iSteelers. Currently he is a national team player eNew Zealand. Umjidi uyadlala for i-national team yaseNew Zealand. So Orlando Pirates iyayisengcupheni ukuthi imsayine. So ngoJanuary ngizwile indaba kuthiwa Orlando Pirates ifuna ukumsayina more. So iSteelers ke sesithola isikhathi esiningi sokuthi sithole i-replacement yakhe uDe Jong. So njoba sebezoyithola i-replacement yaDe Jong, Orlando Pirates imthole kuzowenzakalani ko-Orlando Pirates because awukwazi ukulanda umdlali omkhulu onjengoDe Jong. Ulanda umdlali omkhulu onjengoDe Jong ungazenzi like ingxoxo zoshintsho. Awukwazi usungabi nazo ingxoxo zoshintsho. So emva kwami nginobani Tsegofaso Mabasa mase ngiba nobani noBoitumelo Radjobhana. Okubadlali ke labo bafethu esesizwe okuningi ngabo. Kule masonto nje siphuma kuona sizwe okuningi ngabo kunama-rumors aseculatayo regarding nabadlali bo2. Yabo for me angithandi bahambe. Angifuna ukuqamba manga. And when you look at a player like uDe Jong, this guy is phenomenal. He is phenomenal. There are some fans who are saying he is not what we need currently ku-Orlando Pirates. Yabo akasinikezi lutho currently ku-Orlando Pirates, but yes engasinikezi lutho enjalo, but for me I think umjida uyakwazi ukudlala. Yabo he is that player ukunikeza something for me. Like ngicela nje ukuyikhipha kulowo ma-fans. For me I think uDe Jong he is that player who can give you something. And if you add an addition yaDe Jong kule squad se-Orlando Pirates esikhona vele currently, Orlando Pirates ingawina something and ingawina i-league. They can win the league if they add a player like uDe Jong. Imagine the options ongaba nawe ebenchini. Imagine ama-options ongaba nawe ebenchini, because when you look at a player like Umabasa, yes, he's a good guy. Umabasa is a great player. He's a good striker for Orlando Pirates. He's a phenomenal striker for the Pirates and kumele ayi-break leya record. But when you look at ucoach Abdeslam Wadu, I don't think ucoach Abdeslam Wadu unawo ama-plans for Umabasa. And when you look at uDe Jong, I feel like le signing le umdlali lo vele obefuna uAbdeslam Wadu. This is the player that was wanted by Abdeslam Wadu. If you remember, Abdeslam Wadu, most of the players that were signed by Orlando Pirates ba-announce vele Abdeslam Wadu engakafiki. Abdeslam Wadu engakafiki. Abadlali ba-announce esefikile kwakuSipho Mbule, who was the player vele ayemfuna vele. Sipho Mbule uNemtajela, not uNemtajela. Nemtajela wa-announce earlier on. KwakuSipho Mbule uSibelebele, Osuna Police, obviously Osuna Police, everyone knows Orlando Pirates yayimfuna Osuna Police vele wezofika. Yabo so Andre de Jong was the last player. Yabo he was the last player kwi-list kwenzakake Orlando Pirates ingamtholi. Yabo uyena mdlali lo ngokwami mina othandwa uAbdeslam Wadu. Abdeslam Wadu I think lo mjida umkhonze kakhulu. So njengoba bebuyela nje kuyena kule market le kule transfer window le esiza kuyona, izinto eziningi izoshintsha ku-Orlando Pirates. There is another player kuBoitumelo Radjobhana. Currently umjida ngizwile kuthiwa unama-exams awa-attendayo umjida awabhalayo. Singesazi ke mhlawumbe unwangitshela ngawo, but ke naye usanesa i-injury, waba injured yabo isatha kuqala nje isizini umjida wathinteka, okuyinto vele ejwayele ukumhlupha mfethu. So wena ngokwakho ungathini? Sathana vele kuhambisa istriker uzakhelele pasa, uzakhelele pasa kwangekho mnandi, but naye kwakumdlalo wejwayele ukushushwa ama-injury. So between the two players okuBoitumelo Radjobhana and uTsegofaso Mabasa, ubani ongamsacrifice for ukusayina uDe Jong? Between these two players, who would you sacrifice? Ubani ngempela ongamsacrifice? Because when you look at the strikers we have currently, we have I think there's a guy who's called Lusithole. Akayitholi game time. I think now uzohamba on a loan. There's another guy kubani uMbuthuma is a phenomenal striker. Mase kubani uMakgopa. Those are the strikers we have. Makgopa noMbuthuma. Mabasa he hardly gets some minutes. Umabasa beno Boitumelo Radjobhana. So between the two, who would you sacrifice to sign a player like Andre de Jong? Because I know between the two players there will be a sacrifice. there will be a sacrifice. Who would you sacrifice in a January transfer window? Mina ngokwami, hayi, Boitumelo. I think the boy right now he needs a loan move. I think he needs a loan move right now umjida athi kuyothola nje kancane game time athi kuyiqoqa kakhulu yabo samnikeza i-loan move eyale kwe-Cape Town City but i-loan move yakhe ayibanga successful because walimala. I think this time uyayidinga ngempela. I don't think uMabasa deserves i-loan move. Umjida kumele ahlale eteamini afight for isikhala. Umjida kumele abreak ama-records ku-Orlando Pirates but ke you can tell me in the comments yabo mhlambe simdayisa uMabasa. I think selling uMabasa kwasinikeza imali because he's a good striker. Don't get me wrong, he's a phenomenal striker. Any team engafika la ku-Betway Premiership ifuna ukumthenga komele ikhiphe imali yangempela yabo. Strikerless esasifuna uRolani Mkwena yabo. uRolani Mkwena wayefuna ukudla kakhulu with uTsegofaso Mabasa. So any team efikayo any team I think nayo I think uRolani usengamthenga MC Alger. Usengafika nje ineyimali zale ku-MC Alger afuna ukumthenga and I don't think Orlando Pirates izonqaba kumdayiseni uTsegofaso Mabasa. So when you can tell me which player would you sacrifice in the signing of Andre de Jong?